Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another question from the topic of SOH-CAH-TOA. And let's read this question and solve it together afterwards, and I will talk about what the SOH-CAH-TOA means. So if sine C is 3 over 5 and the triangle ABC is a right triangle, what is the measure of the length of the side AB? So SOH-CAH-TOA. This expression is important for the trigonometry. It's going to remind you what's so. In the the letter S comes from the sine C, and the O is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. H is the hypotenuse, and the in this case, C comes from the cosine, and A is the adjacent over hypotenuse, and the TOA, tan C, and T comes from the tan. O is the opposite over adjacent. So in this case, we have given this, and in this problem, we're gonna use the sine C. And if you're talking about sine C, I want you to imagine that as if you're sitting on the corner of the angle C, and you're looking at the sine C, 3 over 5. If that is 3 over 5, sine, opposite sine, right? Because sine is the opposite, remember, 3x, and the hypotenuse is supposed to be 5x. Why am I writing 3x and 5x? Because this is 3 over 5 is a proportion. These are going to be the multiples of 3 and 5. They can be either 3 and 5, or they can be 6 and 10. They can be 9 and 15. So that's all about it. In this case, if this one of the side of the right triangle is 3x and the hypotenuse is 5x, the other side must be 4x, because this is a special triangle, 3, 4, 5. Why do we call it special triangle? Because the sides of the triangle is integers. So in this case, we calculate it as this: 3x, 4x, and 5x. And 4x is given as 20. To get the value of x, we will divide both sides by 4. Then x will be equals to 5. So, and what we're looking for, 3x, the side of AB is being asked, which is 3x, and we will multiply 3 by 5. Then we will get 15 for us. And I want to calculate these as well, 3 over 5. What is cosine C? Imagine that you sit in here. Adjacent side of the C is 4x over the hypotenuse is 5x. And the x cancels each other out. This is a ratio. It has to be just the numbers. Tan C, opposite side of tan C is 3x over adjacent is 4x. So 3 over 4. These are also additional information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.